And let me show you how to blend pictures using the layer mask tool. So here again we have these two layers, the sky and the city. So let me click on the sky layer and create a layer mask. And now you can use brush to paint black on the layer mask like that. As you can see here. There is another way is to do a black and a white gradient. So it's the similar effect as the brush. So let's try that. You can go to the gradient tool and make sure you are selecting this black and white gradient. And I'm dragging from the bottom to the top like that. And on the layer mask you can see that it's going from black to white. So that means this part is erased and the top is not. So you can do it a few more times if you want to delete more pixels. So I think this layer is okay, and then let me go to the city layer and then create another mask, and then I will use gradient from top down to do that effect. And if you cannot master the gradient tool, just use brush tool. It's easier to understand. So make the flow a little bit lower and then just paint over the layer mask. And the good thing is if you paint too much, you can also always go back. So switch the black and white and paint white to reveal the hidden pixels. And in the example, I also added the moon to the city image. So let me drag the moon to this picture, Control T to make it smaller. Okay, and I'll create a layer mask again, and then I press X to switch to black, and then I'm painting black on the layer mask to erase the background. Okay. Here my brush is quite soft, and then I want to make the moon. Okay, I only want to keep half of the moon, so I think that is okay. And I want to make the moon a little transparent, so let me make the flow very small and then paint all over the moon. So I think I'm quite happy with this result. So the assignment is to create a picture like this. You need to include at least 3 different pictures and then use layer mask to blend them together.